Over the past couple of years, apple cider vinegar has proven itself to be the most known vinegar within the natural health community. But why is this? It's due to its numerous benefits. It can be used in recipes, as a medicine, to clean your house, in your skincare routine. The possibilities are endless. People have even started taking shots of apple cider vinegar in the mornings or before meals, and whoever can't drink it straight dilutes it in water. Given the taste we all know vinegar has, these health benefits must be great for people to be willing to do this. Here are 3 of the main benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. It can lower our blood sugar and fight diabetes. The meals we typically eat nowadays are rich in carbohydrates and processed sugars, and apple cider vinegar can increase our insulin sensitivity, making it easier for our bodies to respond to what we ate and adjust accordingly. This means it's perfect for diabetics who need to stimulate their insulin production, or even people with a tendency to have high blood sugar levels. It serves as an appetite suppressant. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid. The acetate then accesses your brain and suppresses the centers that control your appetite, decreasing your desire to eat. It improves our iron absorption. Acetic acid, apart from suppressing our appetite, can also help our bodies release iron from the food we consume by mimicking stomach acids and breaking down the foods. If you enjoyed learning about these tips, then mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV, apple cider vinegar, with a cup of water and drink it before your midday meal every day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.